Strava is one of the most popular fitness apps, generating around $275 million in 2023, a 25% increase from 2022. With millions of active users, it's a prime example of how fitness and technology can come together to create a business opportunity. But what if you could build an app like Strava? In this video, we'll break down the key features, development cost, and monetization strategies to ensure your fitness app is a success. Let's get started. Must-have features for a Strava-Like app. If you're planning to build a Strava-Like app, integrating the right features is essential. Let's explore some top features that can set your app apart. Live coaching and virtual classes. Connect users with expert-led live fitness sessions for an interactive workout experience. Personalized workout and goal tracking. AI-powered insights help users track progress and stay motivated. Social connections and challenges. Enable users to connect, join groups, and compete in friendly challenges to boost engagement. Gamified fitness rewards. Add badges, points, and rewards to keep users engaged in coming back. Heavy checkmark offline activity sync. Allow users to log workouts even without internet access, updating data once they reconnect. Wearable technology integration. Sync with smartwatches and fitness trackers for real-time health tracking. AI-powered diet planning. Offer personalized meal plans and nutrition tips based on fitness goals. Health monitoring and medicine scheduling. Provide health insights and medication reminders for a holistic wellness approach. Health checkup notifications. Encourage users to schedule regular medical checkups for better health tracking. Cost breakdown for developing a Strava-Like app. So, how much does it cost to develop a Strava-Like app? The cost can vary based on app complexity, platform, development team expertise, and region. Here's a breakdown. Basic app, $30,000 to $70,000. Moderate complexity, $70,000 to $150,000. High-end customization, $150,000 to $250,000 plus. Other cost factors include platform type. Native apps cost $50,000 to $100,000, while hybrid apps can range from $10,000 to $150,000. Development region. Costs range from $20 per hour in Africa to $150 per hour in the US. Developer expertise. Junior developers charge $30 to $60 per hour, while senior developers charge $100 to $200 per hour. Monetizing your Strava clone app. Now, let's talk about making money from your fitness app. Here are some monetization strategies you can use. Freemium model. Offer basic features for free and charge for premium upgrades. Subscription model. Provide exclusive workout plans and analytics for a monthly fee. In-app purchases. Sell workout programs, diet plans, and fitness gear. Ad-based monetization. Integrate ads from fitness brands to generate revenue. Affiliate partnerships. Collaborate with fitness brands to earn commissions on sales. Developing a Strava-Like fitness app is a great opportunity in today's fitness tech industry. Whether you're looking to integrate top-notch features, optimize development costs, or maximize monetization, partnering with an experienced team like RichestSoft ensures success. Ready to bring your fitness app idea to life? Let's connect.